Everybody wants to know, is Destiny getting a relaxer? Is she not getting a relaxer? When will there be another relaxer update? Are you transitioning? Are you about to do the big chop? Like, everybody want to know what Destiny about to do with her hair. Hey y'all, this is All of Destiny. I saw a lot of questions about whether I'm transitioning, whether I'm relaxed, all of that stuff. Okay, pause. So I answered all of the relaxer related questions at the end of my Wild Growth Oil video, and to keep you all from watching a full 30-minute video, I decided to split these into 2 parts. So yeah. So as far as me transitioning to natural, am I going natural? Everybody want to know. I've been seeing all of the comments every time I go live on Instagram, my comment section on recent videos, even in the vlog that had nothing to do with hair. Is Destiny going natural? Is Destiny gonna do the big chop? Is Destiny gonna get another relaxer? Is a relaxer update video coming soon? Everybody wants to know. Destiny don't even know. How about that? Like her Destiny don't even know what she about to do with her own hair. Like, the thing with my hair at this point. When I started wearing the wigs, it was like, oh, I'm just gonna shampoo my hair, braid it back down, do another wig, shampoo my hair, braid it back down, I'm about to put on another wig. And it wasn't really until I started reading the comments that I myself was kind of like, oh, I haven't had a relaxer. Even when I used to do my stretches, a lot of you all would always ask me, how do you deal with stretching your relaxers? How can you even do that? Like, I can't even really deal with 10 weeks. I've always just kind of been able to maintain my hair. So I really didn't notice I hadn't really had a relaxer. When I did notice that, it was like, if I'm just gonna wash my hair and braid it back up anyway, what's the point in getting a relaxer? Not only that, but I was just kind of maintaining my hair without one. Like, y'all see how straight it is right now? Like, at this point, I do still say that I have relaxed hair, because I mean I do, because it's still right here. Until I will technically do a big chop or something, then I wouldn't have relaxed hair. But I still do say that I have relaxed hair. I'm just at this moment 11 months post relaxer, and whew, I went ahead and made a few notes since the camera died on me. That way I can kind of cover everything. Even though it's still going to be room for open discussion. That's just how it is on YouTube. It's always something extra to say. If I have to come back with a part 2, I'll definitely do that. If you've been asking questions, it's because you're familiar with my videos and you know that I do get relaxers. But I don't want to give a story time. This ain't a story time. Long story short, it was just kind of a thing of me wearing wigs, because once I wore one, I was like, oh, I like this a lot. So I was just kind of shampooing my hair, braiding it back up, you know, wearing another wig and then wearing another one. I mean, right when y'all started asking me, I was like, I haven't had a relaxer. Like, I didn't really even notice myself. It was at that point when I went and I searched relaxer results of All of Destiny to see when I had my last relaxer, and I was like, I haven't really since April. 11 months. April is next month. Apparently 11 months post relaxer. It was just kind of on accident really, because I was just shampooing and braiding my hair right back up to wear wigs. And then when I would go ahead and take my wig down, when you take braids down, you kind of don't like relax your hair because you'll have irritation. So I would just kind of shampoo my hair, style it without the relaxer, and then I would just go right back into another wig again. It wasn't a thing of me not really responding to the comments. It wasn't a thing of me ignoring anyone. It wasn't me kind of trying to secretly big chop or secretly go natural or anything like that. Just because certain things aren't on YouTube doesn't mean that it's a secret. Everything don't make it to YouTube, you know? I'm the type of person, not necessarily things are a secret, but certain things is just kind of private, personal. I don't speak on things that could be, that could possibly happen, might happen. I'd rather just come with bam, pow, wow, oh, here it is, oh. At that point, after realizing, like I said, because you all were asking me, so after saying, am I gonna get another relaxer? Am I not gonna get one? And then washing my hair and kind of seeing my curls at the same time. Maybe, maybe not. With my mind not being made up, that's not something I'm going to put out here on my channel. And then yeah, I could take it back. Even at this point, I could easily up and get a relaxer still. I could easily not get one because it's been 11 months. Next month will be an entire year. If my hair is this straight, I obviously can maintain it without a relaxer, but at the same time, I can maintain it with one. So then it becomes considering the pros and cons. Or if y'all follow me on Instagram or Twitter or wherever, and I've kind of talked about how on my Instagram Live, y'all gotta follow me on Instagram Live. Everything is on Instagram Live. See, everything don't make it to YouTube. With me having my straight hair, at that time I was like, I haven't filmed the intro for this video, that video, this video, so I kind of can't go to the gym. With relaxed hair, imagine this being my wrap, but my hair is relaxed at this point. If I go to the gym and I sweat really hard, I can go home and just wrap my hair up. It's going to be sweaty, but my strands are still straight. Then with natural hair, or just me having new growth, now that I'm done filming this video, I'm gonna go to the gym, I'm about to sweat my hair out and keep it pushing to the next style. All of this would kind of puff up because I like straight hair, let's be honest. At any moment I could still up and just get a relaxer because it's like, nah, I ain't got time for this. Like if I'm going to be wearing it straight a lot, but then kind of avoiding my lifestyle, like wanting to go to the gym, too much to deal with. I got a few comments where some people were saying just watch a big chop, or your sister has really nice curly hair and things like that. I've never really been one to be influenced by what someone else has to make that a decision that will be my own. So I know it's trying to run. So my sister's hair is her hair. So watching a big chop here on YouTube, that's their hair. Like, it's not my hair. That's not going to, if that was the case, I could easily watch anything and kind of say, oh snaps, like, I don't know, I watched somebody dye their hair pink. It doesn't mean that I'm going to dye my hair pink. I may like it, but it doesn't mean that I'm going to do that exact same thing. To watch a big chop video don't mean that I'm a big chop my hair. To watch it, but I'm subscribed to a lot of natural YouTubers. Doesn't mean that I'm going to go natural, or that I won't, or that I feel influenced by what someone else does to make that a decision for myself. Like, I'm a whole adult here. Like, I kind of make decisions on my own, which is really why it wasn't like I was avoiding you all's questions. Why speak on something that I'm not sure of myself? And I know y'all gonna say, well, you could have just said that, Destiny, but then everybody would take that and run with it. And honestly, I just wasn't gonna speak on something that I wasn't sure on. Like, I'm like, I don't know if I am, I don't know if I ain't. And with a YouTube channel, it's like, oh girl, her channel, she'll say she finna do this, then she don't do that. Like, all the time on Instagram Live, I always say, don't quote me that deeply. Like, it's never that deep. Don't quote me exactly on anything that I say, because I could just say something, then it's like, nope, give it back instantly. You could probably find a video from 2011, 2012. Some people say things like that I actually only wore like one solid pink lip, or I would never wear makeup, or I would never do this and never do that. I probably never wear wigs. But we say a lot of things. Younger people say, I ain't gonna never get married, I ain't gonna never have kids, I ain't gonna never blah blah blah, and then boom, got your ring. So people say things, but I'm rambling now at this point. All in all, as of right now, there isn't a yes and there isn't a no. I'm 11 months post relaxer. I still have relaxed hair, so I'm still claiming to be relaxed, because I mean, until I get it. So the camera died on me. I said a whole lot that it didn't even catch, because I talk off the top of my head most times. I mean, I made a few notes, but I don't know, I guess I'm concluded at this point. What I was saying, you could tell I had my makeup on all day, but I'm still keeping this footage, and I got a stain on my shirt. I mean, we rolling with it. What I was saying, right now I have not decided. I'm 11 months post relaxer. Obviously I can maintain my hair, but at the same time, at any point I can just up and just say, man, I'm done with this, I'm about to get a relaxer. But with my hair already being short anyway, it's easy for me to just kind of keep trimming in my ends, and then boom, you see I watched that routine video. I ain't got that much relaxed hair left, barely. Still doesn't mean that I'm gonna go natural. So I don't know. Discuss it in the comment section down below if you would like. I'm definitely gonna have to do a part 2, because at this point I'm just really tired of filming, y'all. I've been filming a lot, so I hate to kind of just end my video like just boom, but that's pretty much it. Questions or comments, leave all of that down below, and I hope you all enjoyed this one.